I'm going to teach you how to change the primary field in Airtable. The primary field is the first column in every table, and it acts as the record's title across views, linked records, and interfaces. Because it's the anchor for how your data is identified, adjusting it thoughtfully can make your base clearer and easier to use. Start by going to Airtable in your browser. Once the site loads, sign into your account so you can access your workspaces. After you're in, open the base that contains the table you want to update. Then open that specific table. If you're new to Airtable, think of a base like a project and a table like a spreadsheet within that project. Now, locate the primary field. It's almost always the very first column on the left. This column is special. You can't move it or delete it, and Airtable treats it as the main identifier for each record. With that in mind, it's worth pausing to decide what you want this column to communicate. Maybe a concise name, an order number, or a short descriptive label that's easy to scan. Click the header of the primary field to open its menu. From there, choose Edit Field or Customize Field, depending on what your interface shows. This opens the Field Settings panel. Here, you can rename the field to something clearer and more consistent with how your team speaks about the data. You can also change the field type if needed. Pick a type that best represents a stable, readable identifier. Keep in mind that the primary field is referenced widely, so changing its type may affect how it appears in linked records, filters, or formulas elsewhere in your base. When you're satisfied with the name and type, click Save. Airtable will apply those changes immediately. If you adjusted the type, scan a few records to make sure the values look right and are formatted the way you expect. Finally, update the values in the primary field as needed. Aim for concise, unique entries whenever possible. If your records already link to other tables or Power Automations, review a couple of those connections to confirm they still read well. The links will continue to work, but a clearer primary field often makes them easier to understand at a glance. One important note before we wrap up. Airtable does not allow you to move or delete the primary field. You can rename it and customize its type and formatting, but its position as the first column is fixed.